Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook vanilla cake. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and greasing an 8-inch round cake pan thoroughly. Gather all your ingredients including 1.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 large eggs. Having everything ready before you begin baking helps ensure a smooth process for a perfect bake. Next, we will combine our dry ingredients to create a light and airy base. Sift 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour into a large bowl. Then, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together for about 30 seconds, ensuring everything is well combined and lump-free. This simple step is crucial for an even rise and consistent texture throughout your finished cake. Now, let's move on to the wet ingredients, focusing on proper creaming. In a separate bowl, cream 1/2 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar for about 3 to 5 minutes until it is light and fluffy. Add 2 large eggs, one at a time, beating thoroughly after each addition. Finally, stir in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract until it is just combined, bringing all those wonderful flavors together. It is time to combine the wet and dry ingredients carefully. Gradually add your dry mixture to the wet, alternating with 1/2 cup of milk. Start and end with the dry ingredients, incorporating them in about 3 separate additions. Mix on a low speed until everything is just combined. It is very important not to overmix the batter. This gentle approach ensures your cake will be tender and moist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.